Is it visible properly?
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Okay. So it says a cold storage unit was set up in the year 2007. Okay. Three types of fresh cauliflowers were put into the storage at the end of the month of February. Okay. So there was some low quality, there was some medium quality, and there was some high quality. The low quality cauliflowers decay exactly after 2 months after putting it in the cold storage. Medium quality, okay. So we have to just jot it down. 2 month expiry will be there. The medium quality will expire after 3 months, and the high quality will expire after 4 months. Decayed cauliflowers are removed and fresh cauliflowers are added to the storage at the end of each month. Okay. The following figure indicates the number of cauliflowers of the above three types disguised as type 1, type 2, and type 3. Okay. Present in the storage at the start of the these months. Okay. It is known that 86 fresh cauliflowers were added to the storage at the end of one of the months. Which month we do not know. Okay. And the fresh ones were put, remember, 2 points, which I am, thinking about. The first point is they were put at the end of Feb.
Feb.
Okay. And the figure, the following figure is at the start of these months. Understanding the thing? So it's like on 20th Feb, you put these inside. Okay. And on 1st of March, you are checking.
Yes.
Right. So if I'm checking,
Oh, the above three type.
let's on 1st March. Okay. And what I'll do on 31st March, then I am checking on 1st April. What I'll do on 30th of April, 1st of May, I will check. 31st of May, I will do something. And then I'll check on 1st of June. And on 30th of June, I'll do something about it. On 1st of July, I'll do something. And on 31st of July, I'll do something. Okay. So this is type 1, type 2, and type 3. Now, on 1st of March, type 1 is 30, and type 2 will be 58. Okay. Type 3 will be 40. On 1st of April, type 1 will be 42, type 2 will be 64, and type 3 will be 49. On 1st of May, 52, type 2 will be 19, and type 3 will be 53. On 1st of June, I'll have 96 of type 1, 19 of type 2, and 58 here. Okay. And on 1st of July, I will have type 1 102, type 2 32, and type 3 60. Okay. So, uh, so from 1st of March to 1st of April, they are getting added, right?
Yes.
Okay. And no, none of them is having
Being
I should
removed.
say, expiry of 1 month.
Yeah. So 31st will be 000, right?
So 31st March, uh, because what is it is mentioned here something of the former decayed are removed and fresh are added to the storage at the end of. When are they added? They are added at the end of each month. So can I say that 12 will be added here? Because at the end of Feb, okay, only 1 month will happen. So here you will have to add something only, then only 42 will come, right?
Yes.
And you'll add 6 here and you'll add 9 here. So this have to be added now. Understood?
Yeah.
Now, on 30th of April, again, around 10 will be added here and around 4 will be added here. But here there is a drop. So what can possibly be the scenario? That type 2 is of low quality because there is a drop only in this case. There's a drop only in this case. If the drop is coming, then that surely means that some of them are taken out,
Yes.
right? You can say that why not? It can be that around 30 were taken out from here, and then 12 were left, and then 40 were added. But what will happen here? Here it has to be increment now. If this is of low quality, or if this is of low quality, then at least something should be increased from 1st April to 1st May. Or if even if 0 is added, then also it is okay. Okay, then this has to be 64 at least. But here there's a drop. That means what? That 58 were removed. 58 were those which were included on the end of April, end of February,
February.
and they expired at the end of April. That is after 2 months. So 58 were gone. 6 were left. Okay, 13 were added, so that the total becomes 19. Understanding?
Yes.
Right? So this is how the thing will go. Now, if you can see here, there is a huge gap. Okay,
Yeah.
there's a huge gap here, but here the gap is relatively lesser. So I'll first try to think that can the drop be that this be of medium quality,
Type 1, right?
right? Type 3. I'll think of type 3 to be medium quality because the here the gap was huge and here the gap was relatively lesser. So I'll think that might be the case that a lot of them, which is 40 of them, the 3 month thing will happen here and
Mm-hmm.
40 of them will go out, 13 would be left, and then I'll add the remaining 58 minus 13. What is that? 45.
45.
45 I'll add. Okay. If I will think of this to be true, then 30 will go, 22 will be left, and here I have to add a 74. Right? 74 I have to add. Okay, so that seemingly is a bigger number. I'm not saying it is not possible. Okay, we'll think about it. But here, because low quality thing, I've already got to know everything about it. So what will happen? So 19 were there. Now, these 6 which were added, their expiry will happen on 31st of May. That is after 2 months. So 6 will get removed and 6 only will get added up. Does it make sense? So that the total becomes 19 again. And then how many are removed? Sorry, how many are added? 13 are added on 30th of April. So on 30th of July, these 13 would get decayed out. Remaining 6 will be there, and 6 will be added with 26 more so that it becomes 32. Understood?
Yeah.
Now 6 were added here. So on 31st of July, these 6 will get removed, okay, leaving the total as of now to be 26. Okay. If nothing is happening after 30th of July, then this would be the picture. That is on 1st of August, you will see 26 low quality cauliflowers. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I am taking two cases. The first case I am taking this to be, okay, let me do one more step. Okay. So this whole pie chart thing is understood by you now?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is understood. Let me just remove this part. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So there are two cases now. One case when T1 is what my heart says as of now, that according to me, this thing would be medium quality. T3 would be medium quality, and this would be high quality. Okay. And the second case would be if this is made of medium quality and this is of high quality. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So if this is of medium quality, what will happen? This 40, which is at the end of February, at the end of March, 1 month, at the end of April, 2 months, and at the end of May, 3 months
3
will happen.
months
So here it will happen that 40 of them are removed.
removed.
This 40. So 13 will be left, and 45, 13 plus 40 is 58.
58.
So this would be a scenario. Okay. Then here 9 will be removed because these 9 were added on 31st of March. So its 3 month expiry will happen on 30th of July. So 9 will be removed. So I'll be left with how much? 49.
49.
And 11 would get added up. Right? 11 would get added up. So I will now have how much? Again 60.
60.
And then 4 will be removed, which were added on 30th of April. Okay, that its 3 month will happen here, here, and here.
Yeah.
Right? So 56 are left. Understood?
Yes.
Similarly, if this is of high quality, then it has an expiry of 4 months. So 4 months will happen when 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So here there will be a reduction of 30.
30.
Okay, but here from here to here there will be no reduction. So it will be simply an addition of 44. Right. So 30 will get removed. It will become 66. And 102 minus 66 is what? 36, I guess.
36.
Okay. Now 1028 is there. Now how many will get removed? This 12 will get removed here. And the total will be 90, I guess. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this line will be the tiebreaker for us, that in which of this or this case the sum total will be 86 on any of one of the months. Okay. So here how many of them are added? 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 9, 27. 27 are added. Here how many are added? 13 plus 4, 17 plus 10, 27 are added. Here 44 plus 6, 50. 50 plus 45, 96 are
95.
added. Here 36, 36, 36, 26. Sorry.
26. Yeah.
So that would be how much? So 12,
62.
62, 62 plus 11.
77. Oh,
70.
73.
Yeah. And here nothing is getting added. So in none of the months 86 were added. So that means this is a wrong deduction, which I was assuming. Understood?
Yeah.
So that means this would be the correct one. So 3 months will happen when 1 month, 2 month, and 3 month. Okay, so 30 will get removed here. Okay, and then it will be how much? 22. So 22 plus 74 will make it 96.
Yeah.
Yeah. Similarly, here what will happen? And here what will happen? This is supposed to get only added only because this is of high quality. So
So
53 plus
53,
5,
5.
right? 85 it is. I thought 86 will come here only. Anyways, 96 here. So 96 are here. Now, these 12 will get removed this here, making the value to be 84. 84, how much?
94,
16, 18.
94, 18. Yeah, correct.
18 would get added here. Okay. And because high quality also will have to, take care of this thing. Okay. So what will happen? Here also the 40 will get removed. Okay. So I'll be left with how much? 18. Okay. To 18, what should I add to make it 60? 42, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it would become 60 now. And similarly, what will get removed this time? This 9 will get removed and I'll be left with 51. And here what will happen? These 12 are removed. Now the next time this 10 will be removed and I'll be left with 92. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Now to cross check, we have to check in which of the year, which of the month, sorry,
86.
86 were there. So this was still 27. This was still 27. Now this was 70, 85, right? And this would be 42 plus 18 would be 60. 60 plus 26, 86. I was looking for 86, I got 86, right?
Yeah.
So this is the correct solution. Now seeing the options, which of the following correctly represents high quality cauliflowers? High quality cauliflowers were T3, type 3. How many fresh low quality cauliflowers were added to the storage at the end of the May month? At the end of May month,
6.
how many were added? 6 were added. Okay. Now this question you could have answered even if you would have not understood which of these is the correct answer. So in CAT, it will happen that you don't have to solve the whole. If you are able to solve or understand the caselet, but you are getting stuck in some of the cases, then also do solve it because there will be some questions which will be so easy that even if you are able to just make the skeleton, you will be able to answer those questions. I was just able to understand low quality part, but I will be able to answer this particular CAT questions, question number 22. Understood?
Yeah.
How many decayed cauliflowers were removed from the storage at the end of the month of June? Okay. At the end of the month of June. At the end of the month of June.
25, 25, and 40.
Okay, sorry, I have to write. By mistake, I wrote this as July. This should be June. Okay. At the end of June, how many? 25 plus 40. 65?
Yeah.
What can be a minimum number of cauliflowers remaining in the storage at the end of the month of July before fresh cauliflower were added and after decayed ones were removed? So we are supposed to find out this total. Okay. So 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus this would be 169, right?
Yeah.
So that would become my answer. At the end of which month 86 cauliflowers were added? 86 were added at the end of
June.
June. Okay. So June would become my answer. Understood?
Yeah.